We have all been there, scrolling for hours, watching one reel after another, and then suddenly realizing, what am I even doing with my life? Your phone says your screen time is 6 hours, your brain feels tired, and you still think you feel bored. But here's the truth. You don't need a perfect life to enjoy free time. You just need better ways to spend it. So today I'm sharing 20 hobbies that will make your life more creative, fun, productive, and interesting. And the best part, most of these hobbies are low cost or free. So pick at least one hobby from this video and actually try it this week. Hi everyone, I'm Livika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have divided these 20 hobbies into 4 categories. Creative hobbies, wellness hobbies, mindful hobbies, social hobbies. So whether you want to become more creative, more peaceful, more productive, more confident, you will definitely find something for you. So let's begin. Creative hobbies. Drawing or sketching. The first hobby is drawing or sketching. And no, you don't have to be an artist for this. Just take a notebook and a pencil and draw small things around you. The goal is not perfection. The goal is expression. Next is painting. You can use watercolors, acrylic colors, and even use sketch pens if you don't have paints. Painting is one of those hobbies where you don't have to explain something to anyone. You just sit, create, and enjoy. Photography is such an underrated hobby. You don't need an expensive camera, just your phone is enough. Try learning basic things like background, lighting, framing, etc. And slowly you'll start seeing normal things in a beautiful way. Journaling. Journaling is basically talking to yourself on paper. You can write about your goals, your day, your feelings, and even something that you're grateful for. And if you don't know what to write, start with this. How was my day? What made me happy today? What made me worried today? What am I grateful for? What do I want to improve? Journaling helps you understand yourself better. DIY crafts are perfect when you want to do something creative without spending too much time. You can use old paper, ribbons, or something like waste cardboard. This hobby makes you creative and resourceful at the same time. Category 2. Yoga is one of the best hobbies if you want your body and mind to feel calm. It improves flexibility, balance, strength, and focus. You can start with just 10 minutes a day. The best thing about yoga is that it feels peaceful. Dancing is such a fun hobby that it doesn't feel like an exercise. Play your favorite song and just move. You don't have to perform for anyone, and it instantly changes your mood. Walking with a theme. This one is different from a normal walk because you go for a walk but give yourself a small theme. For example, I'll take pictures of beautiful flowers. This makes walking more fun and mindful. Stretching is such a simple hobby. It gives you a calm break from screens and stress. Cycling is fun, healthy, and refreshing. Cycling clears your mind and improves fitness. Category 3. Reading is one of the best hobbies to make yourself smarter and more interesting. And you don't have to start with big, difficult books. Start with short stories, even children's books, or novels. If you don't want to buy books, you can go to libraries or read ebooks. Just one page a day can slowly improve your thinking. And if you don't feel like reading, listen to podcasts. You can listen while walking, traveling, or even relaxing. It feels like consuming content, but in a much better way than just endless scrolling. You can choose podcasts about self-growth, communication, or anything. And if you have watched the video till here and thought about adding one hobby to your daily life, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Learning a new language is a cool hobby and a useful skill. You can start with free websites, apps, or even YouTube. Learn basic words, greetings, and basic sentences. Even 15 minutes a day can build a habit. This hobby sounds simple, but it feels magical. Go outside at night, look at the sky, observe the moon, stars, and the clouds. It makes you feel calm and composed. If you want a hobby that trains your brain, you can try Sudoku, crosswords, puzzles, riddles, or even some logical games. They are fun and low cost. It improves patience, focus, and problem solving. Category 4. Joining a book club is such a great hobby because it combines reading and social interaction. So basically you read a book and then discuss about it with others. It gives you better communication skills, more opinions, and makes you more confident. Volunteering is a hobby in which you can help in cleanliness drives, teach young children, help at NGOs, or even support local events. It gives you confidence and a sense of purpose. The feeling of doing something good for others is genuinely powerful. Another amazing hobby is attending workshops or classes. It can be anything: a communication class, art workshop, dance class, cooking class, personality development session, public speaking session, or even a local event. And honestly, workshops are not just for learning, it helps you interact with others and build real confidence. You never know, one small event can give you a new friend, a new skill, or even a new opportunity. Letter writing is such a cute way to express yourself. You can write letters to your friends, your cousins, or even your future self. Playing board games with friends is such an easy and social hobby. For example, you can play Uno, chess, Ludo, dumb charades, or even word games. This hobby makes you spend real time with people. So tell me in the comments, which hobby are you going to try? So if this video gave you a good idea to try a hobby, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.